What is up, y'all, and welcome to Wild Hearts Farm, where we are working to live a more sustainable life connected to nature and all that God has provided for us. So the coop is done, and a lot of you have been asking, how in the world did you actually move that smaller chicken coop, the original chicken coop, back from its original location all the way back and connect it? Well, here you go. I'm about to show you how. Check it out. Hey, come on. Hey. Knock it off. Eat it. Hey, come on. Look out. Look out. Get out of the way. Come on, bro. Go. Feed it. And there you have it. Listen, it was a lot of hard work, but I really think it paid off. I think it looks really good incorporated into the coop. And if you hadn't checked out some of the earlier videos, when we talk about incorporating this into the build, here's what we're going to be using it for. So one of the ideas we have is to use it as a brooder. Whenever we purchase our chicks from places like McMurray Hatchery, we'll bring them in here and we can actually use this as a brooder to raise them up until they're ready to go out on pasture, or incorporate it into our flock, depending if they're meat birds or egg layers. But another reason we can use this is we've been raising what's called American Bressy chickens. They're a heritage breed, and we've got roosters and hens, and right now they're intermingled into the flock. But when we want to start laying out more of these birds, what we'll do is we'll close off the corner of the run. We'll have them in the old coop so they can go ahead and fertilize eggs, you know, and keep the breed pure. And then we can hatch out some of those baby chicks and continue to grow our flock of American Bressy. So that's kind of our idea. Again, really glad we were able to move it back there and incorporate it. We think it looks awesome. So go to our channel, check out the videos of this full build. They're really good videos. You dives into the detail of how we actually built this. A lot of other great content there too. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, because we have a lot of really great stuff coming up. All right, y'all, have yourself a blessed day, and we will see you next time.